After Christmas Blizzard 2010. Shot and professionally edited by Mr. Adam Phillips. Who's my subject?
It's me. We were supposed to be going on a boat trip, but as you can see, we couldn't.
Not even close.
So, we still want to get outside.
And here we are. Oh, it's bad.
Hi. Merry Christmas. Christmas Merry.
Christmas Merry.
Who do we have here?
It's Christmas time.
It is clear.
It's Christmas time. And you're not here with me.
Yes, I am. I'm right here.
Woo!
How nice.
Hey. Just what exactly are we dealing with here?
A lot of snow.
Now, here's the part where I lay in the middle of the street and stretch my body out and make snow angels.
Not.
Come on, baby.